I know some people will think what I have on this plate is sandwich. No, you're wrong. This is fish pie. Stay tuned. This recipe is a quick one. All I need is just to make the dough. In the bowl, I have 1.5 cup of flour, little tablespoon of salt and sugar, butter, egg, and mix properly. To achieve this dough, I added a little bit of water to the egg. Then allow the dough to settle while I prepare the fillings. So this is the filling for my fish pie. So what I'm actually using is sardine. Maybe I should call this sardine pie or fish pie. Anyways, I'll prefer to stick to fish pie because sardine is made from fish. My fillings is almost ready. It's time to start prepping the dough. Of course, we all know how to make all the pies. We have to roll and get everything ready. So what I'm using today is my sandwich machine. Okay, that's what I'm using. So I'm going to lay the flat dough, right, and add my fillings. After filling on both sides, I'll egg wash and then cover with the second layer. You see, sometimes, right, it's good to experiment with the gadget you have in your kitchen. Well, once I'm done with the filling, I'll put the second layer, then cover, allow it to cook or bake for 10 to 15 minutes. This is my fish pie. It looks like sandwich, right? Nope, it's fish pie. Will you be making one? Anyways, if you stayed up to this point, thank you. Please remember to like, subscribe, and leave me a beautiful comment. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.